everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Big Mac Smash Tacos. Let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, dice 1 onion. Then shred some lettuce. Once you've finished preparing your ingredients, set them to the side. Next, we're going to make the Big Mac sauce. In a bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sweet relish, 2 tablespoons of Dusseldorf mustard, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. Once you've added all of your ingredients, mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, cover the bowl in plastic wrap or place the sauce in a container and then put it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, place the tortilla on a cutting board. Then press about a handful of ground beef onto the tortilla. Continue to press down and flatten the ground beef until you have a thin layer of ground beef covering the entire tortilla. Repeat this process until you've made all the tacos that you want. Next, season the ground beef with seasoned salt and pepper. Once you're finished, you can begin cooking your smashed tacos. In a pan over medium-high heat, add some olive oil. Then place the tortilla in the pan, beef side down. Proceed to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes while occasionally pressing down on the tortilla with a spatula. Once your smashed taco is finished cooking, flip it. Then add a slice of American cheese and reduce the heat to medium-low. Next, add a little water in the pan and then cover the pan with a lid and let the cheese melt for about 1 minute. Then take your smashed taco out of the pan. Repeat this process with the rest of your tacos. By the way, adding a little water in the pan will create steam which will help to melt the cheese. It won't make the taco soggy. Once you finish cooking the smashed tacos, add the toppings. First, add some shredded lettuce. Then add some diced onions. About 2 to 3 pickles. And of course, the Big Mac sauce. And that's it, you are all finished. All you have to do now is plate it and enjoy. And this is the finished result. I kept seeing these Big Mac smash tacos all over TikTok and I just had to give them a try, and they were so good. The beef was well seasoned and cooked through, and the tacos were nice and crispy. Also, the sauce tasted just like the one from McDonald's, so overall everything tasted great. The recipe was also super easy and simple. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!